Hiya guys, we've got a Ninja Smoothie Maker unboxing here. So let's see what we've got inside. Oh, it says thank you. Let's have a look. Little bag full of booklets. Oh look, it says don't put it in the oven. Oh, it's quite heavy. So, it's the main Ninja Smoothie Maker part with the plug. Let's see what else we've got. Ooh. God, I make these bags so tight.
Lid.
One lid. No, it doesn't go on. Why is unboxing so difficult with one hand?
Hey, be careful with me, Ninja.
Oh, there it goes. Important information. Remove blades from cup after blending. Just a random bit of cardboard. So many bags.
Blendy bit.
Blendy bit. Oh, you do not want to put your finger in there. Look at that. What an animal.
Will it blend?
Ow. How does that fit on there then? I suppose with like stuff like this that you're liable to chop your own fingers off, you need to read the instructions preferably before using it maybe. Oh yeah, that's it. Look, it goes on there. There you go. Oh,
You push it down.
ah, yeah. There you go. Look, how many bags could they give us? So many bags. Oh. Loading tips. Don't put your tips of your fingers in. Green Ninja. Yeah.
Is there some recipes?
There's some receipts.
Oh, I'm excited about that.
5 minutes. Watermelon raspberry cleanser. Watermelon raspberry, yeah. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Look how much you need though. Strawberries, blueberries, mango, for pineapple, spinach, water and ice. It's easier to go and buy, isn't it? Smoothie Maker instruction booklet. Why is it so badly folded over at the top corner? Important safeguards. Anyway, that'll do for today, I think. There you go, Ninja Smoothie Maker unboxing. There it is. See ya.